Hello guys and welcome back to Technical Rocker. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a daylight sensor or a light sensor, a normal light sensor. But you probably see a light sensor which is having nothing but only a LDR and an LED with a resistance. Doesn't really works. You can't adjust its sensitivity and nothing much kind of stuff. But this one over here, which I tried to make simpler and simpler, but that's how much simple I can get. And so this, let me tell you how it works. So as you know that the LDR only conducts electricity if the light is directly landing on the surface, but if it's not, then it will not conduct electricity. It's a light dependent resistance. It's dependent on the light. So over here I'm using a transistor potentiometer of 10K. 10K is a good amount of resistance, right? So 10K of resistance and a LED and some connecting wires and a battery and a 9-volt battery cap. So let me show how it works. As you can see, I just set it so that it won't get switched on when the light is coming from the flash above from the mobile phone over here that I'm having. Let me focus it. So let me show you. So over here, whenever the light is on this, it glows. Let me give you a good view. So how does it work? Over here, this is all the things. So as the light is directly coming on the LDR, as I just remove the light on the LDR, it stops, as you can see. If I just remove this, or I can just decrease the sensitivity if I can. Low budget alert using my sister's clip. I think that won't be that bad. Low budget alert, sorry guys. So now it's like so much low sensitivity. Now it's not even working with lights. Okay, I think so I should be switching off this light over here. Now it's better, and I should do this low budget alert once again using my sister's clip. Make the sensitivity a little higher, and here we go. So this is how it works. As you can see, it's not that bad, it's not that good. It's a simple looking thing. It's like only 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 things that you need, and the connecting wires you can get from anywhere, and a battery, which is I think easy to get. Now how it works like this. I probably did something wrong, right? See. The light switches on when the light is landing on the LDR surface. Yeah, we can do pretty much good stuff from this kind of projects, and we can enjoy these kind of projects. So let me tell you what are the material required. So I think now you know what are the material required. So let's get started. Probably I'm gonna start with the transistor as always, or I just try to make it from the main components first. So I'm using PC547. I've already told you about this, which is base, which is always the middle one is base. Why the hell it's not focusing? PC547. So left one is the base. Left one is the collector, emitter, and the between this is base. So place it like this, face the flat the flat part facing towards you. Put like this anywhere on the board. Now you're having a potentiometer like this or a trim pot like this. So how to just know the value of a trim pot is like, as you can see, it's written 103. 3 is the amount of zeros, so you would have to add 30 more in this. So 10 into 10,000. 10 into 1000 means 10,000, which is 10k trim pot that I'm using over here to set the sensitivity like this. So let's put like this. So it should be like this. These are the 3 cuts that should appear, these 3 cuts. So now I will need you to understand it a little better. So connect the negative part to the like this. A little bit of difficulty I'm facing. A bit of difficulty, you can say. Okay, let me place it like this. I'm trying to make it simple. So like this, on the positive rail I'm just making this, like if I'm just putting like this, so the lower rail would be the positive, the upper would be the negative. So putting it like this, putting it at the collector and to the positive. So this one is the positive part, this one is the negative part of the LED. As you can see inside the LED, this part is smaller, this part is bigger. That's how we know it. So now I will need the LDR connecting from the base of the transistor to anywhere on the board. Or let me just do it simple so that you can understand it more and more, and you can just don't get messed up like me. So connect one part to the positive and then connect the other to the base of the transistor. If you're done, it's very good if you're done, because I'm not. So wait for it. I'm just trying to make you understand of it. Now just put the connecting wires now, the chance of the connecting wires at least. So connect the between part of the trim pot to the negative rail. Take one more, connect the emitter part to the negative rail. Just like that. And then connect this part, which is like this part of the trim pot, to the base. So if you just connect this to the base, you are done. So that's it. That's how simple it was. It took me like 5 minutes, even though I was talking a lot. Yeah, I talk a lot. Sorry guys, I just tried to talk less at the last video as well, and I just straight up ended making a 7-minute video. Then this time I just made more than that. Now take a battery cap, connect upper with the negative, lower with the positive, and wait for it. Connect the battery now. Okay, wow, that was pretty amazing. I just tried to connect the battery and my wires got away with it. We took the advantages. So that was not good. Really not good. Okay, as you can see, it started working. So as the light's not on, just touching the surface of the LDR, the light's not glowing. When I just move it, it starts glowing. So I just made it simpler for you to make it. As you can see, it's more simple, more easy looking. If I can just make it connect some. If to make it look a little bit more complex, I would use 2 more connecting wires, which I'm already having here. If I wouldn't have connected this directly to the sensor over directly to this part over here, so I would have made it like this, a bit complex, so that you can get impressed by my skills of doing stuff. Just like this, I'll show my skills a little bit, not too much, and like show off, you know. Show off is never too good, but sometimes it's good. So connect it to the collector and you're still done. But this time, wait a second. And like this, I already told the connecting wires. So as you can see, still works. And to make it a little bit more complex, like that, just connect over here. And where's the one more connecting wire? I just threw it. So connect this part of the LDR to the positive part over here, and try to connect the pin once the connecting wire from the battery back again, and here we go. So this is how it works. It's pretty good, pretty easy looking. As you can see, I just made it, try to make it as easy looking and as simple, because it had every title of my video, it's written easy and something like and easy and simple, the perfect way, or something like that, sort of. So yeah, it's really simple. As you can see, let me click a photo for the thumbnail. So thanks YouTubers, because they taught me something new, because I just take content from them and transform it to mine. Sorry for that, please don't copyright claim on me, because yeah, I'm just trying to do something in a new way. I'm just trying to do it in my own way. I try to make it simple. So guys, sorry for that, because yeah, knowledge should be coming from some way, and then you would be like copying it. Not copying. I'm just not perfectly copying the same stuff that he did. Or she, I don't know. I just watched like 10-20 videos to make this. None of them was working. I used potentiometer, the person was using like a resistance. So that's a difference, big difference, right? So guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and don't forget to comment below. And I click one more photo for my thumbnail, and a thumb photo like this would be better. You can leave the video if you want. Please don't give me a dislike, that'll not be great. I'm not even having a like. I don't think I'm having views on this. Guys, thank you. It matters for me. Oh, still camera glitch. It will automatically close, you know. My hands are over here. It will automatically